Good afternoon. Thank you for calling at the Passion Pharmacy. This is Z. How can I assist you?
Good afternoon, my name is Mr. Excel and I have reservation for 2 nights at your hotel. However, I need to change the dates and can you recommend me dates?
Of course, Mr. Axel, I have to assist you. Could you please provide me with the current dates and the time of your reservation?
My current reservation is from tomorrow and tomorrow. I would like to change it to next Monday and Tuesday. Also would like to upgrade to a deluxe room.
Understood. Let me check the available for next Monday and Tuesday for a deluxe room. It looks like we have availability for this date. Would you like me to process with the change?
I'm sorry, I confusing. Let me pass it to my friend and explain it to him.
So, Miss, for your change reservation at Monday and Tuesday for the room, we have availability for that day. So, the total process change, your original reservation for tonight at our standard room was 200 rupiah, but for the change reservation next Monday and Tuesday in deluxe room, which is the price was up to 240 for 2 days. Is it okay?
Yes, please proceed.
We will send you a confirmation email with the updates detail. Is there anything else you need, Mr. and Mrs.?
That's all. Thank you very much for your assistance.
Alright, you're welcome, Mr. and Mrs. We appreciate your business and look forward to welcoming you next Monday. Have a great day.
Thank you again.